This 2016 Ford Transit Connect is brought to you by King Ride Auto Sales Limited. 2016 Ford Transit Connect Cargo Van, Shelves, Divider, Backup Camera have huge selection of cargo vans. To view our inventory, please visit us at www.kingrideauto.com. Trades are welcome, financing available, no glass or window in cargo area, only 185,000 km clean interior and exterior, backup camera, phone Bluetooth connectivity, well-maintained power locks, power windows, power mirrors, divider, shelves, 5-liter, 4-cylinder gas engine, automatic transmission, AC, air conditioning, comes with 7 months power. Train warranty. King Ride Auto Sales address, 326 Stanley Street, New Westminster. Sales office, 604-364-3100. Dealer number 40172. Stock number 9003. $300 dock fee. All vehicles must add 12% tax, similar to camper van, cargo van, Chevy Express, Chevrolet Express, Safari, Astro, Astrovan, Ford E350, 2500, 3500.